Ever finished a meal and wondered about the secret transformation inside you? Stay tuned as I reveal a science-backed method that boosts energy and ignites natural healing with zero side effects. Intermittent fasting isn't merely skipping meals. It's a powerful reset that repairs cells, burns fat, and supercharges your metabolism. Ready to transform your routine and unlock vibrant, lasting health? Discover the secret to lasting vitality today. Just a reminder that this video is strictly for instructional purposes. So, if you have any medical concerns, consult your doctor. Let's break it down hour by hour so you know exactly how your body transforms from the moment you finish eating until it reaches peak fat burning and repair mode. Hour by hour breakdown. Hour 0 to 4, the post-meal phase. Right after you finish eating, your body goes into digest and store mode. Your blood sugar rises as your digestive system breaks down your meal, and insulin is released to move that sugar into your cells. This phase gives you the immediate energy you need. However, if your meal is heavy or unbalanced, those extra calories might end up stored as fat. For best results, focus on balanced meals rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep your insulin levels steady and your energy stable. Hour 4 to 8, normalizing blood sugar. Between 4 and 8 hours after eating, your body begins to normalize. Insulin levels drop as digestion winds down, and you're still enjoying energy from your meal. If your meal wasn't packed with enough nutrients, you might feel a slight hunger pang. This gentle drop in insulin is crucial. It signals your body to start switching gears from using immediate energy to tapping into stored reserves. To avoid a crash, skip the sugary snacks and processed foods and opt for whole, natural foods that offer sustained energy. Hour 8 to 12. The transition phase. Around the 8-hour mark, your body shifts into a fasted state. With most of the meal's energy used up, your body starts tapping into glycogen stores in the liver and muscles. This transition is essential because as insulin levels continue to fall, your body gears up to burn stored fat. If you're new to fasting, a bit of hunger or low energy might hit, so keep a glass of water or a cup of herbal tea handy to help smooth the transition. Hour 12 to 16, fat burning begins. Here's where the magic really happens. With glycogen nearly depleted, your body begins breaking down stored fat for energy. At the same time, your human growth hormone, HGH, starts to rise. This hormone is key to preserving muscle and supporting cell repair. Many people describe this phase as feeling sharper, lighter, and more focused. For maximum fat burning, a 16 to 8 fasting schedule is ideal. It perfectly aligns with your body's natural switch to burning fat and is a favorite among health enthusiasts. Hour 16 to 20. Deep fat-burning mode. Push past the 16-hour mark and your body enters deep fat-burning mode. Ketones molecules produced from fat start to rise, providing you with a clean, natural source of energy. This boost often comes with increased mental clarity and a steady, sustained energy level. With stable insulin keeping your appetite in check, this phase makes fasting not only bearable, but truly rewarding. Light activities like a brisk walk or gentle stretching can enhance this natural energy boost, keeping you active and engaged. Hour 20 to 24. Autophagy kicks in. Between 20 and 24 hours of fasting, your body kicks off an impressive self-cleanup process called autophagy. In this phase, damaged cells are broken down and recycled, which helps reduce inflammation and offers long-term benefits like anti-aging and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Keep in mind, this doesn't mean autophagy doesn't happen before 20 hours. It's just less active early on and ramps up significantly after 20 hours. Although reaching this stage may be challenging for beginners, your body will adapt over time. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to our 24 to 36. Extended fasting for deeper repair. For those willing to venture a bit further, fasting beyond 24 hours takes the benefits to another level. In this extended phase, both fat burning and autophagy intensify as your body continues to rely on stored fat, while ramping up its repair mechanisms. This extended fast can lead to enhanced mental clarity, significant fat loss, and reduced inflammation. However, extended fasting isn't for beginners. It should be approached with caution and ideally under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Do your research and listen to your body before pushing past the 24-hour mark. While these stages offer incredible benefits, there are a few common pitfalls to be aware of that could derail your progress if you're not careful. Common mistakes and warnings. Even though intermittent fasting is a powerful, natural approach to better health, there are some mistakes you'll want to avoid. First, don't skip balanced meals. A heavy, sugary meal before a fast can trigger energy crashes later. Second, staying hydrated is essential. Your body needs water throughout your fast, so don't wait until you're parched. Third, avoid extending your fast too quickly. Beginners should gradually increase their fasting window to let their body adapt. And finally, always listen to your body. If you experience dizziness or severe fatigue, it might be time to break your fast or consult a professional. Proper nutrition and following fasting principles are crucial. They can either maximize the benefits of fasting or, if ignored, lead to harm. For more detailed tips on avoiding these pitfalls, check out the video 8 Fasting Mistakes to Avoid for Endless Energy in our intermittent fasting playlist. Important health notice for individuals with special or cancer conditions. Autophagy is a natural cell cleanup process that supports health, but new research shows its role in cancer cells is complex. It might even help them survive in some cases. If you have serious health issues or cancer, consult your doctor before starting intermittent fasting. Key points. Consult a specialist. Always talk to your doctor and a nutrition expert first. Consider fasting mimicking diets, FMDs. Fasting mimicking diets are meal plans designed to give you fasting benefits while still supplying essential nutrients. They maintain a controlled fasting state to balance autophagy, so you get cell repair and detox benefits without overdoing it, reducing the risk of unintentionally helping cancer cells. This offers a safer, balanced approach for those who need extra caution. Regular monitoring. Keep a close watch on your health markers. These guidelines are for informational purposes only and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Fast Track to Transformation, your 36-hour fasting recap. Let's sum it up. Hour 0 to 4. Your body is busy digesting and storing energy. Hour 4 to 8. Blood sugar levels normalize and you're preparing to switch fuel sources. Hour 8 to 12. The transition begins as your body starts tapping into glycogen. Hour 12 to 16, fat burning kicks in and HGH rises. Hour 16 to 20, deep fat burning mode with a rise in ketones and stable energy. Hour 20 to 24, autophagy ramps up dramatically, leading to significant cellular repair and detox. Hour 24 to 36. For advanced fasters, extended benefits intensify, but caution is key. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What changes have you noticed in your energy levels or overall health? Drop your experiences and any questions in the comments below. Your feedback builds a community where we can all learn and grow together. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to 7 powerful fasting secrets. embrace health, celebrate life.